Divvy app: the pros, the cons. Divvy is a spend management platform that combines corporate cards, budgeting, and expense tracking in one system. Most people get this wrong if they think it's just a card provider. Divvy helps companies control spending in real time. On the pros side, Divvy allows businesses to set budgets by team, department, or project with real-time expense tracking. Employees can request funds, make purchases with virtual or physical cards, and receipts are automatically captured and categorized. The platform integrates with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, simplifying bookkeeping. Its mobile app provides visibility and control wherever you are. On the con side, Divvy may not suit companies needing very complex accounting workflows or multiple currency management. Some users report occasional delays in fund approvals or card issuance. Additionally, the full benefits are realized only when all employees actively use the system. In conclusion, Divvy app is ideal for companies seeking better control over spending while simplifying expense management. Its combination of budgeting, corporate cards, and integration with accounting platforms makes it a powerful tool for streamlining financial operations.